Hello children, we are going to discuss the labels, how to create labels in OpenOffice Writer. What are labels? Labels are actually small slips of addresses which you can create for same letter, you have one letter, one type of letter in different addresses. You want to print address labels of different people. You just paste those labels on the letters and you can send them to different addresses. So how to create labels? In a new file in OpenOffice Writer, you go to File, New, Labels. Here you've got 3 tabs in which I choose the first tab, that is Labels. In Labels, I'll first locate this box because it is the earlier one. I choose the database. Database is created, as I have told you earlier. You create an Excel spreadsheet, then you register it as a database through opening a new database and then connecting with the existing spreadsheet file. Now, as I have a database in my system, I can choose any of the databases which I created earlier, and I can choose the table whichever I have named, and the fields, the database fields are listed here. I can choose to take any field in my label. I have taken up label name. I press enter for the next line, and then I choose up address and left arrow. So this is my address block. Here I can choose the brand, the sheet, whichever sheet you want to use. Every A4 I choose, suppose, and then you can choose the label type. Any of the label types you can choose and see whatever is your requirement. I have chosen this disk labels. It shows the measurement of labels, 2.76 into 2 inches. This is the measurement of a label, and it is going to show 2 into 5. That means 2 rows and 2 columns and 5 rows on each sheet. If you want another one, you can choose from here, or you can continue with the C2265 disk labels. And here is my labels. You can see I've got 2 columns and 5 rows on a sheet. One sheet, right? Now what do I do? The first thing is I just click on this toggle button, that is non-printing characters, or I press Ctrl F10. I get these non-printing characters. It shows a line break, a paragraph break. I just have what I have to do. Sometimes what happens, your name or your address, it goes beyond the size of the label when it is printing. To cover that risk, you just press delete over also. You just come here, press delete for the line break and press enter to get a paragraph break, right? I have done it in one label. Plus you can do any formatting for your label. I select this name and I can give it a bigger font size, suppose 15. I have done just in one label. Now you remember there was a tab options when we got the toolbar, the labels toolbar. There was a third tab options. In options, synchronize labels was to be checked. Synchronize labels was the option. It was to be checked. It was to be ticked, and we get synchronized labels over here. Once I click on here, see other labels. All the labels will be synchronized in the same way I have made the changes in this one label, right? And after doing this, I press Ctrl P or File Print. Your document contains address database fields. Do you want to print a form letter? I say yes. And here my database is given. I can choose the records which I need to print, all or certain selected records, or from such and such records. I need to print all the records. Either you can take it on the printer or on the file. I go to File and save it as a single document. I need to save this file as, you can say, label. and automatically it's going to get the extension ODT. So my file will be label.odt. I save the file. Earlier I had the file of this name. Let me see. I open the file that I had saved. That is label.odt. Here I open the file and I get all the labels with different records on one sheet. You can see first label, second label. I had only 5 records. Had I got more records, they would have been printed in other labels as well. So you can print hundreds of labels in one click, in one go. So it depends on your data, how much data you've got in your database. All the labels will be printed according to the choice. Now what is left is to be done. You just have to tear the labels and paste them on different letters to be sent on different addresses.